Hello, my name is Karina Guadalupe Meridagon. To meet you, 22 years old. I am Mexican from state of Chiapas, of a municipality called Tumbala. For now, I am studying. My hair is long. I'm not very tall. I am bit chubby. I have brown eyes. I have small hands. I'm very sentimental. I am angry. I am very cheerful. My frequent activities: walking my dog, good for work, eat cake, watch videos, and exercise. I really like animals. I like to sleep. I like to watch videos. I like K-pop. I like to exercise and I like cakes. My favorite food is Chinese food. In my city, the best now is the park and the church, while it's much time.